The ZANU-PF sellouts and the Chinese accomplices have no regard to our communities, our land, our minerals, or our heritage. They have invaded the Christmas past and recently Boyera, destroying farmland, rivers, and ecosystems. And now their greedy eyes are fixed on our most sacred sites, Great Zimbabwe, Kami ruins, and even the Victoria Falls region, where minerals lie beneath the soil. Sanapenda mashoko nemapictures ari kushiwa panguva ino vanhu vachikomplaina vachiti these Chinese panguva ino havacharespect even national symbols edu anorespectiwa, anodefina who we are, not subscribe or like on the bell icon. Panapa tatenda changambika anomudanyira chiti anoposta mapictures yamuri kuona endarambira chiti the Chinese respect their own heritage sites and protect their history. Yet in Zimbabwe, ZANU-PF has given them free rein to desecrate ours. Why? Because corruption runs deeper than patriotism in this regime. They have no respect for the people, the land, or the environment they swore to protect. These places are more than landmarks. They are the heart of our identity and the spirit of our ancestors. But the same foreign vultures who ravaged Boyera are now sapping our heritage, hungry for plunder and profit. Make no mistake, Chinese mining consortia backed by corrupt state actors have flooded Zimbabwe's lithium and gold sectors, displacing small-scale miners, poisoning rivers, and igniting community conflicts. Every time citizens resist, the government shoots the invaders instead of its own people. Great Zimbabwe and Kami are UNESCO World Heritage Sites, priceless symbols of our civilization and resilience. Historians have long documented ancient mining in these regions, which makes them even more vulnerable to the modern exploitation, allowing multinationals to dig beneath them is not development, it is sacrilege. Victoria Falls is not just a tourist attraction, it's a world wonder, a secret ecosystem, and a symbol of national pride. Yet under this corrupt regime, it risks becoming another open pit, sacrificed for lithium and gold to feed the greed of politicians and their Chinese handlers. This is theft on every level: cultural theft, environmental destruction, and the total auctioning of our national soul by a government that answers to foreign exploiters instead of its citizens. Ndomashwa kuda panguva ine atikona kuti aiwa panguva ine vanhu vakudefenda their own country vachiti zvakuita nezvigananda nemachina zvanyanya. Ndinako section yedu mafungiro enyu muri kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, chat on the bell icon.